Assalamu alaikum. Chapter Direct and Inverse Proportions. Topics to be discussed are Exercise 1D question number 1, 2, 4 to 5. For reference, you are using Exercise 1D of this book, so stay tuned.
Practice now number 13, question number 1. If y is inversely proportional to x square, okay, and y is equals to 2 when x is equals to 4. So first I'm going to write the formula. Is inversely proportional to x square, which means after putting the constant of variation, our formula will become k upon x square. Y is equals to k upon x square. Let's call it 1, and this is going to be the formula which we will use in all parts of our questions. Question number 1, part 1, we have to find the value of y when x is equals to 8. How will we find the value of y with the help of this formula when we don't know the value of k? So we will use the value of the given value of y and x into our formula to find out the value of k, and then we will find out, and after calculating the value of k, we will put this value of k and the value of x to get the value of y. Is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4. So equation 1 becomes formula 1. Okay, formula 1 becomes 2 is equals to 1 upon k upon 4 whole square. K is equals to, after cross multiplying, k is equals to 2 multiplied by 16. 4 multiplied by 4, the square of 4 is 16. So k is equals to 2 multiplied by 16 is 32. This is the value of k that we have calculated. Now I am going to put this value of k in equation in the question number 1, part 1, to get the value of y. So here 8 and y is unknown, and we have already calculated k is equals to 32. So putting above value in our formula, we will get is equals to 32 upon 8 whole square, which will become y is equals to 64, and after simplification, okay, y is equals to 1 upon 2. So this is the value of y for question number 1, part 1. Let's go to question number 1, part 2. Question number 1, part 2 says find the equation connecting x and y. So simple, we know the formula that we have already established. We are going to we have calculated the value of k. So k is equals to 32, and we are going to put this value of k in our formula to get the value, to get the equation connecting our variable. Y is equals to 32 upon x square. So this is our required equation. Let's get to part 3. Part 3 is again very simple. We have to find out the value of x when we know that the value of y is equals to 8, and we know that the value of k is 32. We are going to put all these values in our equation number 1, and we will get the value of x. The above value we can get, equation 1 implies that 8 is equals to 32 upon x square. After cross multiplying, x square is equals to 32 upon 8, and we can divide it. Alright, 8 ones are 8, 4s are 32. So x square is equals to 4, and we have to know the value, we have to find out the value of x. So here x square is 4. How will we find out the value of x? Simple. We will take a root on both the sides, and the root of x square is x and the root of 4 is 2. So the value of x. Now let's move to the third part of the question. Given that y is inversely proportional to under root x, I have already established it in the previous question, so I'm not going to repeat this step again now. Okay, now we have to complete this table. Alright, so how can we complete this table if we don't know the value of k in our formula? Okay, and to calculate k, we must know the value of x and y. So let's see in this table from where we can get the value of x and y. Yes, we can in column number C1 or column number 1, column number 1, value of y is known but x is unknown, and column number 2, both the value of x and y is known. So we are going to use this x and y and find out the value of k, and after getting the value of k, we can easily solve all the other, all the other variable, we can get the value of all the other variables. Equals to 1, y is equals to 8. Let's put the value in our formula. Is equals to k upon under root 1. Okay, and after cross multiplying, 8 multiplied by 1, and the value of k is 8. Okay, so we have calculated the value of k. Now we are going to use this value of k in our formula and get the value of other variables. Column number 1, value of x is unknown and y is 16. And k is 8. I am going to put these values in our formula number 1 and we'll get the value. So y is 16 and k is 8 under root x. X is equals to 8 upon 16. After simplification, we can get under root x is equals to 1 upon 2. But we must know the value of x, not under root x. What will we do? We know that if we will square this side, then under root x multiplied by under root x is equals to x, right? So if we will square this side, we will get the value of x, but we know that we cannot just do the squaring on one side. We will have to square on both the sides. So squaring both the sides, we will get x is equals to 1 upon, what is 2? Square of 2? 4. Now the value of x is 1 upon 4. So I am going to write number 3 equals to 4 and y is unknown and k is 8. So I am going to put these value now in equation 1. Y is equals to 8 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and the value of y is 4. Number 4, x is equals to 16 and y is unknown and k is 8. Let's put these value in formula. So, and which mean y is equals to 2. column, what is the value of x when y is equals to one whole number 1 upon 3 and k is equals to 8. So let's put these value. Four upon 3 is equals to 8 upon x. I have converted this fraction into improper fraction, the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So under root x is 6. Now as I have explained before, how will we get the value of x? Because we have to find the value of x, not under root x. Yes, we will square under root. So squaring both the sides. X is equals to 36.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.